The JBL Bar 800 5.12 channel has a total power output of 720 watts. Today, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the JBL Bar 800. Welcome to Tech Zone KE, and my name is Simon Kabucho. This is how the package looks like. Here we have the unboxing guide. Inside the box, we have the following: a subwoofer. The subwoofer is nicely designed with a JBL logo on the top. This is a down-firing type of subwoofer, and therefore the bass speaker is placed at the bottom. It has 4 circular rubber stands that supports the subwoofer to stand firm and absorb vibration while playing music. The main bar has an amazing finish with 2 detachable surround speakers on both ends. The detachable speakers are charged by the main bar while attached to it. Can also be charged separately using a USB Type-C charger. While detached, both the main bar and the detachable speakers are capped to maintain the good look of the bar. This was a very creative move by the JBL brand. The caps have cuttings, leaving out spaces to click on the power button and also insert the charger. On the main bar's top, we have the power button, the volume up and down buttons. At the back, we have the power port, USB port, the Ethernet port, HDMI in port, HDMI out port with enhanced audio return channel, or you can call it eArc, and finally the optical port. Inside this package, we also have some accessories. As you can see, we have a quick start guide, safety instructions, and the product warranty card packed together. 1 HDMI cable, 1 remote control with 2 lithium batteries, up to 8 power cords depending on the region you are in, 2 L-shaped wall mount brackets for the main bar, and 2 U-shaped wall mount brackets for the detachable surround speakers, together with some screws. Finally, we have 4 pieces, the side caps for the bar and the surround speakers. Let's head to the main specifications. The JBL Bar 800 5.12 channel has a total power output of 720 watts. That gives you an immersive sound experience that pulls you into the middle of action depending on what you are listening to. The mighty 10-inch wireless subwoofer gives you a thrilling and mighty buzz. It might not be the most powerful buzz in JBL's lineup, but I would recommend you to try it because it is pocket friendly compared to its superior versions. With 2 upfiring drivers, the JBL Bar 800 delivers True Dolby Atmos 3D surround sound. The detachable battery-powered surround speakers have a playtime of up to 10 hours. This may vary depending on the type of content being played or the volume used. Another sweet thing about this JBL system is that it works with voice assistant enabled speakers. Therefore, you can simply link the JBL Bar 800 with your voice assistant enabled device and instantly ask Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri to stream all your favorite music. Using the JBL One app, you can easily set up the soundbar, personalize settings, and browse the integrated music service to find your new favorite song. The power output for each speaker is as follows. The soundbar is 340 watts. The surround speakers are 40 times 2 watts and 300 watts for the subwoofer, giving us a total power output of 720 watts. The dimensions are as follows. The subwoofer, it's a 10-inch subwoofer with a height of 44 centimeters, a width of 30.5 centimeters, a depth of 30.5 centimeters, and has a weight of 10 kgs. The main soundbar, its width is 88.4 centimeters, the height is 5.6 centimeters, the depth is 12 centimeters, and it has a weight of 3.4 kilograms. Each detachable speaker has a width of 14.5 centimeters, a height of 5.6 centimeter, and a depth of 12 centimeters. Also, the weight of this detachable speaker is 1.3 kilograms. This is all we have for today, and thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, share, and comment with your reviews on this item. Also, mention what you would love us to review next. If you are in Kenya, you can get this JBL soundbar from our online shop at www.tvguru.co.ke. Goodbye.